Want a brighter skin, better immunity, natural detox, all in one tablet?
Meet Plix the Plant Fix Glutathione tablets with vitamin C, your daily dose of wellness and glow. Glutathione is a powerful antioxidant that helps fight oxidative stress, detoxify your body, and even support skin brightening from within. And with vitamin C, it's even more effective. Why? Because vitamin C helps regenerate glutathione and boost collagen for firmer, youthful skin. Struggling with dull skin, pigmentations, or low energy? It's 100% vegan, non-GMO, and free from harsh chemicals.
I've been using Plix for 3 weeks and my skin's never looked better. And plus, I feel more energized.
Just one tablet a day and you are on your way to a healthier, glowing you. Glow up the plant-powered way. Try this Plix Glutathione with vitamin C today.